Shalom Chavrim. Any of you guys that are, I know which so many Christians are out there watching the world events as they are unfolding with the United States and not just her allies, but many other nations in the world that are gathered there in the Middle East. It seems that they have basically surrounded Israel in this situation that's going on with Syria. And Obama, of course, he says he does not need UN resolutions to be able to launch the attack, but he has sought congressional approval, which I'm sure he'll get that. No doubt, a good friend of mine, Gary Lowry, had sent me or called me yesterday. We were talking about a dream that he had and he had seen, and I remember him telling me this dream quite some time back, I don't know, maybe 6 months, 8 months ago, where Israel would end up using a nuclear weapon on Syria. Don't know exactly how that will play out, but I do know one thing. Gog and Magog is on the very verge of taking place. And of course we know that when these things happen to Syria, Russia and Iran and their allies will come in and try to invade Israel, and they'll be successful in invading Israel. Let me remind you that they will actually make a success getting in the country. Because when we look at the scripture of what will happen with the Gog and Magog invasion, we realize that that when God intercedes on Israel's behalf, that they have to spend the next 7 months with the bodies there in Israel, as well as 7 years to dispose of all the weaponry that has actually made it into the country. So it is an urgent time, my friends. Pardon me, I've been battling a little bit of a cold here. The whole family has. Let me say this to you, though. And, of course, Brother Chris Ray from Video Man DVD, he sent me a video that showing about how that they're making preparations. They're doing dry runs for the Temple Institute is for the third temple. We know that, I mean, they know something if this is happening. You know, back in 2011, I put out a video saying Netanyahu will take control of the Temple Mount. I believed it was going to be that year. I was off on that, but you have to keep in mind they're going to do it, and it's not going to be a forced issue. This is part of that peace agreement. This is what the peace accord is doing as well. And so we're going to see a third temple built very soon, and I'm coming out to you guys as well. We are in a scramble here. I've got to go in prayer today. I need to really be before the Lord and seeking His guidance to know exactly what to tell you. I feel strongly that I need to come and really take a hold of the story of Esther. I found out that they aired our first programming on satellite TV at 6 a.m. this morning. Brother Michael Yeager sent me an email about that. We had a big response on our website as well as a result of that. But quite frankly, guys, and I just say this humbly, and God knows my heart, I don't like to ask anything, but if you're able to help in any way whatsoever you can with this ministry, and the Lord has laid it on your heart, please do. There's several things that we need to try to accomplish. I won't go into a list of these things right now, but I just feel the urgency to bring information I think that is vital for the Christian people. And now that God has given us an avenue to not only on YouTube, but to spread it to the world. And of course, I posted one of the videos that will be airing. I think it'll air Tuesday night for you on YouTube last night. And we'll continue to do that because our purpose is to get the word out. It doesn't matter to me which avenue or however, but at least with the satellite network, and by the way, that's on Glory. Let's see. If you have a satellite network that has the Glory Star, I believe is the network for that. It's channel, I think they told me 129. If it's not 129, look at 119. I'm trying to get all the information exactly right for you before I post it up to you as well. And we just, it's urgent, friends. It's very urgent. You know, especially because of the salvation of your loved ones and stuff. You know, I do not know when the rapture is going to happen. I know there's some people are looking here at Rosh Hashanah. Hey, it could be then. It could be today for all I know. It might be next week. It might be next year. There was a lot of things the Lord showed me yesterday that I could not. I was actually in the middle of videoing, and I had to stop because I was seeing things and I had no way to convey it because I needed to really go back and prayerfully and meditate about it. We're going out now because I have a little bit of an audio problem here at our little studio that we're doing in our home, and we're going to try to resolve that issue as well. But I'm having to take off work because I need to take off work to be able to get these things out to you. So if there's any way, and please don't feel embarrassed. I don't care if it's only $5. It doesn't matter. Every little bit helps. Believe me, it does. And we thank you for it. Anything we can do for you, send you a book. We also have Yam Suf in a PDF format. Gladly send it to you. It's full color, and just as a way of saying thank you for your kindness. And let's do everything we can to get the gospel out while we have that time. It's an urgent time. I can't encourage you more than anything else. So speak to everybody you know. The hour is late. Let's do something, friends. God bless you.